Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in ActiveCampaign. Forms are essential for capturing leads and growing your email list. So let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly so you can access all the features we'll be working with today. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, look for the option labeled Website. Click on it to expand the menu. This section houses all the tools related to your website integrations and forms, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. Once the website menu appears, you'll see several options. From this list, click on Forms. This will take you to the Forms Management area where you can view existing forms or create new ones from scratch. Now to start building your form, click on Create a New Form. A dialog box will pop up asking you to configure the basic settings. First, insert your form name, choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Next, you'll need to choose your form style. ActiveCampaign offers different styles like inline, floating bar, or modal, so pick the one that fits your needs. After that, under Form Action, select Subscribe to a list. This ensures that anyone who fills out your form will be added to your email list. Then select the specific list you want subscribers to join and click Create Form to proceed. Great, now you're in the form editor. This is where you can customize your form by adding different elements. You have options like standard field, which includes basic fields like name and email, custom field for any unique data you want to collect, and account fields for additional contact information. Drag and drop the elements you need into your form layout. Take your time here to structure your form in a way that makes sense for your audience and captures the information you need. Once you're happy with how your form looks and the fields you've included, click Integrate in the upper right corner. This will open up a menu with several integration options. You'll see an embed code that you can copy and paste into any web page, a direct link you can share, and options for adding it to your WordPress site or even your Facebook page. Choose the method that works best for your setup. Finally, once you've grabbed the integration code or link you need, simply click Save and Exit in the upper right corner. Your form is now created and ready to start collecting leads for your business, and that's it. You've successfully created a form in ActiveCampaign that you can now use to grow your email list and engage with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.